All right, let's start the analysis for today. Today is 15th September, and you can already see Forex Factory. We have a bank holiday for Japanese currency, so that already means that it's not gonna be good. Like the volatility, liquidity is going to be less. And whenever there's a bank holiday, whenever there's a major bank holiday, usually market is very manipulative. Anyways, with that in mind, let's just go analyze the market. Right, on the monthly, we're on the uptrend. Weekly, yeah, let's set the new weekly candles. So weekly also we are on the uptrend. You can see these three big candles. Let's go on to the daily. Daily is consolidating, creating some sort of a range or some sort of a support. It could be a support, it could be a resistance. We're yet to see yet. So month, week and day, we're on the uptrend in general. All right, 4 hours. There's a good buy order block here and a 4 hours order block. Let me cancel everything out first. Yeah, these are the trades that I took last week. Let's get that out of the way. On the 4 hours, let's just mark our main 4 hour zone. Right there. This on the 4 hours. We can see something from here. Okay. Now let's dive into the real analysis, which this is what I usually use to analyze. Bro, the Wi-Fi needs to be fixed, bro. Holy. Okay. On the 4 hours, this is a very high probability OB. This is some place I could be targeting. You can see 3597, but that is almost a 500 pip movement. It's at 47 right now, so we can keep this OB open for a later time. You can see that price in the 1 hour, it's taken the previous day low. So this is the previous day low. Price has taken the previous day low and is on the uptrend. Now this is your Asia session. Price is consolidating in this box. You can see this is the previous day and this is the day before that, and it's still in the same zone. So we cannot really say, are we confirmed longs or are we confirmed going down yet? I would suggest, if you're going into trades, I would suggest to skip today if possible. And if you're going into trades, try to go in after the confirmation arises. After the confirmation comes, you can probably go into a better trade, right? Anyways, that's pretty much it. That's your high probability OB. And I guess you can still try to go longs from this region. See, the Asia session hasn't ended yet, so I would see the Asia session on the 5 minutes. You can see it is on an uptrend. You can see it's on an uptrend. So when it's on an uptrend, I usually like Asia to come back down, take the sweep, put a sweep in here, and then on the retest, I try to enter and try to go for the longs, or just anywhere till like a 50 or a 60% of Asia. I usually do that. And today Asia on the 5 minutes, it's on the uptrend. You can see it's put a torch right here, and it's made a break of structure, and it's going on an uptrend. So I want Asia to come down so I can enter on some retest whenever I get a torch, and that would be a setup that I would be considering today. Apart from that, you can also see on the 1 hour it's made a very neat order block, but you can see that price has been in this range, so you can probably wait for price to come into this zone and try to target some longs. Into Asia sessions high. You can try to target some longs, and if the high gets taken out, let's just say by 10:30, price comes back down into this zone and Asia session highs are still intact, you can try this setup. But if Asia sessions high isn't intact, in that case you just have to let today run and see, because you can see the last 2 trading days and both of them are still in this very tight range. And so maybe we can wait for price to take this high and then try to target some longs, or we can wait price to take this low, target some bottoms if you want very low risk setups. And we can see that in this is the 1 hour, right? And we can see in the 1 hour we are sort of in a downtrend, because we have got this torch right here, right? We've made this torch and this high is still intact. This high is still intact, right? And we are yet to see another break of structure from price. So we can just wait and watch. We just have to wait and watch. And for the time being, if the Asia highs are still intact, try to target some longs from this region. And if the Asia highs get taken out, then you just have to let price do its own thing and do not enter without confirmation today. As you saw, the Japanese banks have an holiday today. I guess in a very short term, you can see a selling. You can target some selling in the very, very, very short term. As you can see, price has made a torch right here and we're waiting for a break of structure into this high probability 4-hour zone. This is where the big players are going to step in, I'm pretty sure, and I've already marked out the zones. So yeah, pretty much this is what we'll be following today in depth, and we'll see. You can follow my Instagram, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, and on Instagram I'll be posting the trades that I have taken, and I'll be posting whether it's a ESA or it's a TP hit. So you can follow my Instagram and you can subscribe to the page. I'll be trying to post my gold daily analysis, as I'll be doing my daily analysis around this time anyways. So I'll be posting my gold dailies analysis in here, and if there's anything I can improve, please do comment. All right, see you guys, man. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.